Hello guys, it's been really long and andishaye kuti ndoposta chii chaizvo but I think ndazowana munhu andipa motivation yekuti ndoposta chii. And today we just want to talk on the importance of having my new year resolutions and why somebody should like work to achieve zvinhu zvaanenge aida kuachieve in life, and why planning is important, and just wishing, just having that dream yekuti what do you aspire to have by the end of a year, by the end of a certain time period. So toda ngotaura nezvazvo izvozvo. Amene kuti imi mune maplans here. Sha, une plan here yekuti 2024?
Oh, hello guys, but yeah, and in a plan, now that you've talked about it, you don't know. So I didn't know what are my plans this year. God, zero.
No, but listen, right?
Yeah.
Wakamonza the saying yekuti hanzi if wishes were horses, beggars would ride. Inini ndoda kuita go against that saying.
Okay.
You know, I think my wishes zvinhu zvatiri kushuwira handiti kuti upenyu hwedu kana kuti tinge tine something chinenge chiri muupenyu hwedu handiti. So there's nothing wrong with wishing.
Yeah, you have to wish.
Yeah, you have to wish.
It's
because
like a ray of hope or something.
Exactly. Like wishing though, like the fundamentals dzinofanira kunge dziri paground. Anotaura vhoko. Like ndo framework yevision.
Chidziro.
Yevision yekuti if you want to achieve something, at least it should be premised on what you are wishing to have. Okay. So guys, wish away. Have your wishes. Like I think ndiyo panototangira kuve nevision.
Okay.
I think the difference between wish nevision kana kuti ne something is a plan.
Okay.
Tukuti isusu kana iwewe une zvauri kushuwira mwoyo mako, kana uchingozvishuwira chete pasina anything else, ichingori wish.
Okay. Pasina effort.
Pasina anything. Wangoshuwira kuti dai ndiri munhu ane mari, dai wanga une mota, iwewe wataona resolutions.
Like now I thought of it like I think I want to own a car this year.
Exactly. Andoona ndo nyaya ndikutaura yekuti panofanira kunge pane wish handiti. Right.
Oh, now
So,
it makes sense.
Wish manje totangira pawish. Tabva pawish takuenda pa do you have a plan to achieve the wish?
Okay, that's the hard part.
Now you have vision.
Okay. Ooh.
Kana kuti resolution or something like that. Resolution inozoya after wow tuma nitty gritty vision.
Okay.
Saka waona difference ingoripo.
Yeah.
Saka wish is important. Ndo zvandikutaura kuti.
Oh, like it's the basic.
Ndo panotangira vision.
Okay.
So like zvinhu zvauri kuda, zvauri kushuwira, then obva wagadzira the plan to have those things and it becomes a vision. Ameno kana munyatsondibata vanhu ikoko kana kuti muchifungo zimafungira andiri wabata. So be a wisher handiti ndo kuti it's in other words it's being a dreamer.
Okay.
Handiti it's being a dreamer. So now we are coming back to you.
Okay.
Handiti toda ngonzwa wish. Do you have any wish?
Oh, I have many wishes. So many.
I wanted to talk to that also. My wishes are kuti my resolutions anofana kunge ari achievable. Unenge uchiona nepauri kuti alright, but you know whatever, just wish away.
Okay.
Timbotipa wish.
Well, honestly, my wish right now is to be rich. Like feel rich.
Tara zvemari baba.
Alright. So you want to recognize me? Yeah. Like I don't know how Yeah,
Because at the end of this video, guys, arofana kunge ane at least 2 resolutions. Atichashare nemi izvezvo pavideo irori pakunopera kwari rofana kuzopera mahozi avo kuti what are her resolutions for 2024, and tataura kuti inge iri vision kana kuti inge iri resolution, there should be a plan in a time frame. So plan
in a time frame.
No, a wish in a plan.
Okay.
That's a vision.
Yeah.
But then kana vision yako yaane time frame yekuti by the end of 2024 resolution.
Okay.
Can I preach some more?
Go deeper.
Alright, anyway.
Okay.
So apa toda kunzwa wish.
All right. Well, I wish to own a car.
Mainzwa wish yayo.
What
Wari
own
kuda
a
muchovha.
It's important.
Alright, inini kana neniwo ndakatomboita resolution iyoyo.
Exactly.
Then I achieved it and ndichimugona. Anyway.
That's where it starts.
Obviously that's why you start from the wish. I just want to guide you. Ingori example what?
Okay. Yeah.
Tombotora example yemotikari.
Okay.
So uri kuda mota generally here kana kuti you want a car by the end of 2024.
I want a car by the end of 2024.
You wish for a car.
No. Oh, come on.
Alright, it's okay.
I wish. But no, it's a vision. You say
No, it's still a wish.
Oh.
It's still a wish.
Time frame now.
Time frame inozoya kupedzesera. We now need a plan.
It's a long way. Oh, my plan.
Do you have any plan? No. It's still a wish. Okay, fine.
Okay.
But wait. The plan doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay.
Nongo ingori like in the air, which I can join 1 + 1, then I can get to 2 after a certain period of time, after I've done 1, 2, 3. So, pane here zvauda kuita kana kuti zvauda kutengesa? Do you want to get a job?
Well, I want to get a job. I want to start a business. That's most of it.
Business, Ray.
Oh, I want to buy and sell. That's the business. Runofamba kam Zimbabwe. Buying and selling. That's it.
Mamunzwa handiti ndo plan yacho. But if I were her, I would say ndikuda kunohodha zvinhu kana doro. Because doro, obviously, doro rinonga muZimbabwe. Recently, my statistics nemastudies auratidza kuti muZimbabwe we have the highest highest zvidhakwa here, but then we have like the highest alcoholism per capita. Izvo zvinoreva kuti pavanhu 10 vatiri kubata tikaverenga vanhu vanonwa doro tichikombera nevasinganwe vakawandisa vacho vari kuzowanika vachinwa doro ndive muZimbabwe. The highest percentage ndiye muZimbabwe. So kana udaita buying and selling yedoro.
Well, I don't want to do that per se.
So what do you want to sell?
Clothes.
Alright. Saka now taane plan. Plan ndeyekuti we want to buy and sell clothes to make money. Right?
Yeah, that's the plan.
Okay. So if that is the plan, taane vision.
Okay. We have a vision now.
Now we have
Congratulations
a vision.
to me.
Congratulations to
Thank
you.
you.
You now have a vision. Right. So now after Taita vision, we want to give it time frame. Uda kutenga mota muna December here kana kungoti panozongosvika December you should have a car.
Muna December. Like on my birthday.
Birthday rake riri 28 by the way. So tiri kuti resolution ndeyekuti tinenge tatenga motikari by 28 December. So now it becomes a resolution because we have a wish, we have a plan to make it a vision. Then the vision is now a time frame to make it a resolution. So, Jagu, which car exactly?
Oh my God. Okay. So, Daida Discovery.
Guys.
Wait.
Alright.
But then there's this monster car I saw this other. It's monstrous. Guys are very.
Jeep.
No, G-Wagon. G-Wagon, Baba. That's where we are headed.
It's not like I want to shoot you down. But plan yako uruku. Wait, vamwe vari kuita plan vane maG-Wagon.
Well, Alana, but then pani vanoita vanao. Like not everyone.
Okay.
But others have it.
Alright. Saka, there you have it, guys. It's simple as that. So basically, ndokutogadzira ma-resolutions kwachona. You're just listing your wishes, then you make a plan to achieve the wishes, it becomes a vision, then at the end of the day you get your resolution. So now we are having problems with people vasina zvavari kuwisha for.
Oh.
I have problems with those people.
Oh, that's bad.
It is really bad, right?
Yeah, it's very bad. Like,
Ushaya
how can you
unoshuvira.
like? How are you living without a wish? Like, how can you actually live and wake up every day and say, like, you just wake up?
Yotongorarama.
That person is void.
So guys, have a wish. Even wish, chero wish, if you want me to help you to make a plan. Sort of like an example and just a runoff of how you can have your resolutions, how you can make your resolutions. But get into the comment section, then we can discuss how you can devise my resolutions and how we can make achievable resolutions and change our lives for the better in 2024. See you soon. Bye-bye, Sawan.
Oh, guys, it's been fun. Thank you. I'm Eden and Smoke. Please do subscribe to my channel, Eden and Smoke on YouTube. Thank you.
Arechane unyowani.
Come on, that was so professional.
Subscribe, bye. That's fine. Sure, guys, just head on to your channel, please subscribe, then we grow together. I'm sure it's one of your resolutions too.
Yeah, like by the end of this year, I need to have like a vibrant YouTube channel. I don't have a plan.
Plan it as a guys. Okay,
Yeah.
see you soon. See you soon.